Yeah, hello guys, and good evening everyone. My name is Joy Ajishefini, and as you can see, that's myself on the screen. And I'm so excited to be here once again because this will be my first video on this channel. And as I said earlier, that's myself on the screen. My name is Joy Ajishefini. I am a crypto trader. I'm a brand identity designer, web designer, and app developer as well. And also I'm an affiliate marketer and digital marketer. And as you can see, I teach everything I do as well. So if you want to learn crypto trading, I teach that as well. And that's what I'll be doing here as well. So do well to subscribe on this channel. So with that being said, I post around making money online, and I share tips and strategy on how to make money online as well. When it works, I will be coming down here to share it with you. Today, as I said earlier, I'm a crypto trader, and that's the reason I will be explaining what cryptocurrency is. You must have heard about cryptocurrency, and that's the new trend in the world now. That's the new trend. Cryptocurrency. People are now doing cryptocurrency, and that's the new trend. I don't know. You must have been into cryptocurrency already. So what is cryptocurrency? Basically, cryptocurrency is a digital currency which can be used as means of exchange. It can be sent, transferred to friends and family anywhere in the world. It can also be used as means of exchange, as means of payment for goods and services. So in a layman term of cryptocurrencies, they are digital cash, just like our paper currency, naira, pound sterling, or dollar that we spent. So that's why cryptocurrency. This is it. Cryptocurrency are unique because it serves as electronic cash, that's e-cash system that is not owned by anybody. Yes, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. It is not controlled by anybody. It is not controlled by any government organization or any organization. Just like our paper currency, which are controlled by central bank. Central bank control the supply of paper currencies and the likes. So, and every transaction which is done on local currency can be monitored by central bank or government entity that can change the rules without even reaching any consensus. So, but on cryptocurrency, every transaction is done directly between both users, which means you, your friend, or let's say everyone transacting on cryptocurrency acts as their own bank. So no middleman is needed or no third party is required. So that's that. And also, anyone everywhere in the world can trade cryptocurrency, can actually use cryptocurrency. You don't need paperwork to register on cryptocurrency. Yes, it's not necessarily needed. You sign up or using your Gmail or your password or certain password or phone number. You don't need that. And don't forget, this is another thing. Cryptocurrencies are built on blockchain networks. So these blockchain networks allow users to transact, allow users to send funds and receive funds, and run decentralized application by using smart contracts. Yes, you will get to know much about this when you stick to this channel, because I'll be coming here to share tips and strategies on cryptocurrency and other things that I do as well. So do well to click the subscribe button and like this page. Subscribe as well, so whenever I drop new video, you'll be notified. When you click the bell button, so you will be notified. Now, who invented cryptocurrency? Everything is created or invented by someone. So who invented cryptocurrency? Bitcoin, which is the first cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. It was created by a person, or let's say a group of people who their identity is not yet known by anybody. People call that group of people Satoshi Nakamoto. Yes, people call the person or group of person, we can't say Satoshi Nakamoto rather. So since then, there have been other cryptocurrencies which have been created. Some cryptocurrencies are created to compete with Bitcoin, while other cryptocurrency integrate features that is not available in Bitcoin. So some cryptocurrency were actually created to compete with Bitcoin, which was the first cryptocurrency, while some other cryptocurrency integrate some features that Bitcoin did not have. This is what I mean. Some cryptocurrency are fast when it comes to sending it or receiving them, while some need to follow some confirmation, some hashes, confirmation, and the likes. So we have other cryptocurrency like Ethereum, Tron, ADA, that's Cardano, BNB, that's Binance Coin. Then we have Doge, and then thousands of cryptocurrencies out there. So, advantages of cryptocurrency: it is a peer-to-peer. Yes, cryptocurrency focus on peer-to-peer transaction. This help in removing intermediaries. Yes, it is very fast as well, and it is designed to eliminate the need of identification information for both parties. You don't need any information, you don't need any identification before you can transact on Bitcoin or on cryptocurrency. Yes, you don't need any identification or form of identity before you can transact on cryptocurrency. And don't forget, everything we have also have disadvantages as well. And this is one of the disadvantages of cryptocurrency. It is a high volatility market. That is, it is open. You are open to a potential loss when you are trading cryptocurrency. So high volatility and potential for large losses. Yes, and also it has been used for black market activities. Yes, unregulated. It is unregulated as well, and also it can be used for illegal activities, which is one of the reasons why government did not like cryptocurrency. So now, why you need to invest into cryptocurrency? Investing into cryptocurrency, there are many ways you can do so. You can be an investor. This time around, you as an investor, you buy and save cryptocurrency. The aim of doing this is to buy when the price is low and sell when the price has increased, when the price is high. And also you can learn cryptocurrency trading. So this will require you learning technical analysis or crypto analysis, learn how to analyze the crypto markets, the fundamental and the technical analysis part of crypto trading. We have where you can also learn futures trading and sports trading. If you are interested in learning cryptocurrency, rather, you can actually click the link below. You see a link below where you can learn cryptocurrency and how to learn crypto trading, futures trading, technical analysis, and risk management. And also, what do you need to start your cryptocurrency journey? To get started on cryptocurrency, every user needs a cryptocurrency wallet. These cryptocurrency wallets are just like our mobile application. The popular cryptocurrency wallets you can find out there is Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and Clever Wallets, and the likes. There are many other cryptocurrency wallets out there depending on their features, yes, functions as well. But the main function is just for you to store your cryptos, to store your coin. So you can find all these lists that I listed above. You can find them on Play Store or your Apple Store. There are many other applications just like these applications. They are like mobile application to our bank. So all you need is to download this application. Then when you download them, you create wallets. When you create the wallet, then this application will generate what we call private key. Sorry, they will generate private key. And when they generate private key, these are usually 12 word phrase or 24 private keys. So these secret key are key to your wallet. If anybody have access to it, such person can go away with every crypto that you have in that wallet. So secure it as much as you can. Write it down somewhere safe and don't share it with anybody you don't trust. So that's it. Don't forget, you don't actually need to write any paperwork or maybe. So when you lost those keywords as well, you lost your cryptos. So don't forget, if you want to learn more about crypto trading, you can actually click the learn more button below to learn about crypto trading. So see you next time.